Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change your email address in the United Airlines app. This guide will help you update your contact information quickly and safely. This video will make the process simple. First, open the United Airlines app on your phone. Next, tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner. Then scroll down the page until you find the Contact Information section. After that, look for your primary email address and click on Change. United Airlines will then send a verification code to your current email. Copy the code from your email and paste it into the app. Then click Continue. Now, enter your new email address and click Continue. United Airlines will send another verification code to your new email address. Copy this new code and paste it into the app. Then click Continue. Finally, your email address will be successfully updated in the United Airlines app. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with others.